It's been said and done. Like a dream come alive, incredible. A centerfold miracle, lyrical. You saved my life again. And I want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, beat, 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 constantly. Boy, you play through my mind like a symphony. There's no way to describe what you just do.
Happy birthday! Stay pretty and beautiful and sexy forever and ever and ever. Thank you very very much. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Aishiteru. Daddy.
Happy birthday! Domo arigatou gozaimasu.
Want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, beat, 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 beat. No one compares, you stand alone to every record I own. Music to my heart, that's what you are. A song that goes on and on.
Hello! Mayo, sister! Minato gozaimashita! Domo arigatou! Basta ka na! Happy birthday at mas happy birthday! Dito kami sa CIT sa OWA. Birthday celebration ng blowout ni Patricia. Dito kami na Daddy Paul. Ito ang family, di ba? Sina Toto, si Bonnie, si Parang Nanay. Nagkaligaw kami kasi bagong santa lang kami dito eh. Nakasampung tanong kami. Kaya yun, nakarating din gutom mga ako, hindi ako kumain ng tanghalian eh. Kaya ayun, pagdating dito, kain ng madami. Basta ka na, sister, happy birthday ah. Saka na tayo mag-chat, mag-kain na to. Ingat ka lagi yan. Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga binibigay mo. Sa lahat ng mga support mo. Thank you. I love you. We love you. Sister, from Erickson, Daddy Percy, and Joy, and happiness. So, happy birthday.
Hello, Tanene. Sana dyan. Sana okay ka. Kasi kami okay lang kami. Pero mas okay kami pag kasama ka namin. Alam mo na. Siguro habang napapanood mo to, ewan ko lang kung ano nararamdaman mo, kung natatawa ka o maiiyak ka. Siyempre. Happy birthday. Ilang taong ka na, hindi ko alam. Pero hulaan ko, mga 30 ka pa lang. Joke lang. Thank you, Tanene. Mga alam mo na, unang-una, yung pinaka-result na binigay mo sa amin, yung sa bowl. Siyempre, ignorante kami. Ngayon na kami nakasakay ng aeroplano. So, sobrang sakit nga ng ulo ko doon. Dami nangyari, pero maganda. Sarap. Masaya. Yun. Ingat ka palagi dyan. I love you, Tanene. Happy birthday. I love you.
Tayo na. I love you, sister. I love you. I love you. Love you. Ganda ba?
Bye-bye.
Oh, how I pray for
Rhino, happy birthday sa iyo. Bukas, June 12, Independence Day. Hindi ko nalilimutan ang mga karawan nyo. Saka kay Maisang, saka June 3, at saka kay Subas ang darating na July 4, happy birthday sa inyo. At sana, kamusta na rin sa inyo lahat. I love you.
Kamusta na, Risa? Happy birthday sa iyo. Happy birthday naman sa iyo.
Bigyan ka pa sana mahabang buhay. At sana, happy birthday lang mo, Nina. Dali sa inyo.
Birthday, Nene! Miss you! I love you, Mama! Chup chup! Happy birthday po sa inyo!
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday! Love you! Thank you for everything! Tita, balik ka agad dito ah! Miss na kita, love you! Thank you talaga, Tita, sa lahat-lahat. Mama, love you! Happy birthday! Love you!
Nene, annyeonghaseyo. Sana okay ka lang dyan kasi okay lang kami dito. And thank you din sa mga binigay mo sa amin. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Miss ka na namin. Love you, Mama. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Nene. Happy birthday. You don't look secret na nga yung age. Ayun po, happy birthday ulit. And thank you for everything that you've given us, for the support and loving, and for always making us happy, and for the quality time we spent together. It's the moment when I want to stop the time so that your stay here in the Philippines would be much longer. And yun, makapag-band ko po yun. Please take care of yourself. Huwag kang kapag-uno. Sexy ka ng kita, promise. Don't need na control yourself. Kasi health naman yung chosen foods mo. Yun po. And stay young and sexy and beautiful. You're so beautiful. Promise. And yun po. Please, balik ka na dito. We miss you so much. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Hi, Taere. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Love you, Mama.
Bujung!
Habibi!
Habibi.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Nene!
Bye-bye ka na, Tita Nene. Bye-bye, Tita Nene. Takaw. Bye-bye.
2, 3.